Hi, welcome back to my channel. A very quick video tonight, but first something for the soul and for the body after a hard working day. What you see in front of you is my newest sharpening stone. That's a natural stone from Belgium, a coticule. Let's try to focus. You can see the fine side and the less finer medium grade BBW Blue Belgian whetstone, naturally fused together, about 15 centimeters in length, around 4.5 in width, and the thickness around 1 centimeter or 10 millimeters. That's my first stone of this kind. I showed in my channel previously some Belgian stones, but they were not mine, and this is my first one, so I will take care for it and it will serve me as a reference for other fine stones. Of course, there will be a lapping video, or at least one, probably several, and some straight razor sharpening and comparison with Inigo Jones slate stone and some other European stones. I have several new Arkansas stones on the way, so stay tuned for a lot of sharpening videos in 2017. Stay safe